Hey guys, today we're making pork lo mein. It's an easy stir-fry recipe that's great for weeknight dinners. Let's start with the sauce. We start with some soy sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, shaojing. This is like a Chinese sherry. And this is fish sauce. It's kind of got a funky flavor that you don't need a lot, just a bit. And sesame oil and water. Give it a good whisk, and that's your sauce. Now, when you're making stir fry, it's important to have all of your ingredients prepped. So you heat your pan, add the garlic. This is pork tenderloin, and you don't need to cook it all the way through there. Just add your vegetables. We've got water chestnuts, carrots, shiitake mushrooms, snow peas. This is sweet bell pepper and ginger. You definitely want some aromatics from the ginger. Thai red chilies and scallions. Then comes the lo mein noodles. They're already cooked, so you just add them in and give it a good toss until it's well coated. A little bit of lime juice, cilantro, and sesame seeds will finish the dish. It's so good.